Hey, Woody, do me a favour, mate. Stick it in that whole thing.
Oh, what? That whole thing? Bit embarrassing.
Roll vlog!
No! I hate you. I'm gonna bend. Hulk smash!
You see his face?
I'll stop with that.
Just what you want when you knock on your best friend's house. Woody! I can't believe you let him do that to me, Brandon! Yeah, that was amazing! Oh my god. Hey guys, so I've just seen this trick online. I'm about to head over to Woody's and I'm gonna test it out on him. Let's do this. Okay, so basically, Woody, you're gonna put your hands like this. I've got to try and knock your hands apart. Okay, you have to try and keep them like this. I'm gonna try and knock your hands apart using only my fingers.
Well, that is a little bit too easy for me.
Alright, so 3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Wait, no, let me think about it.
You can hold, you can be like this, however you want. Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Okay, look his face, he's ready for this!
I think I can do it.
Okay, right, ready, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he doesn't have it.
3, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh, he knocked himself!
Oh. Wait, one more.
Okay.
I think I've got it.
Oh! I had it!
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Stop it!
Can't be that hard.
What?
Yeah, alright.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I won't even look.
Oh, you got it again!
Too easy.
Yeah.
No. What?
Whackpack, thank you so much for watching the vlog.
Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and enable those notifications.
And we'll see you on the next one. I love the please, stop please. Sure then. Oh,
No.
not the beard.
Oh my god, no. All of that's gone. No.
You better not have.
That's gone.
Do me a favour, mate. Stick it in that whole thing. Ow. I've actually really hurt myself there. Hey, baby girl Gabs.